Hello everyone, zdravstvujte, buongiorno, bonjour, sabah al-khair, namaste, guten tag. Good day to you trader, this is Mario from fxotherway. In today's video I'd like to show you how you can draw your own Gann fan the easy way. I'm sure it will help you to make better trading decision in the future. But first let's have a butcher's at what we've got here. I'm on Euro-USD chart. This is H4, 4-hour chart Euro-USD. Unfortunately, market didn't hit my level. The good news is for bears that the market didn't go higher. It stopped at the level of Jupiter-Pluto conjunction, which is over here. It's 293 degree at the moment, 293 Jupiter, 293 Pluto. They are both retrograding, Jupiter faster than Pluto, and the level of this 290 degree is over here, is this row number 5, which is 113.30. What you might observe, row number 6, is 1/4 of whole cycle. I told you in one of my videos that on these quarters, this 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 and 360, there are possible reversal points very short term, and the market resisted this level of 113.40. Basically, it went through it, as you see on this candle. This is for our chart. I'm repeating again. Made a wick, and the market stopped on this trend line, which has been broken here. And the price, as you realize, didn't get over this trend line, this rising trend, this uptrend, which started in May, on May 26, 2020. Today we are on my time zone. It just started 7th of July, so we are waiting tomorrow for another day. We'll see what's going to happen. Another thing is that at the moment, market just went through this short downtrend. It just break through and closed above, which is good sign for the bulls. But till the market doesn't get through this level first and doesn't get this trend line, I'm sure it will stay somewhere in this zone. We don't know how long. Maybe it will try to test again this level, it looks like. Because if you are a fan of Elliott waves, it looks like the wave and the correction. Now we might expect another wave, a longer one, up to here. If this line will be broken and the price closes above this line, it means that the market is coming back to the uptrend, because the trend line, when the price closes, stays here, starts rising. The next resistance line, we are at the level 114.20, and remind you, this is Neptune level, 350, Neptune at the moment. Over here, Neptune 350 is retrograding by slow-moving planet 350. We've got over here. So this is 114.20 level. This is the resistance. And the first possible support, you know that already, is also Neptune line 111.80, but it's been tested once. What I told you before, here is a very strong, looks like very strong demand. The market just has been blocked over here and didn't go lower. You see, it didn't even touch this line, which is very important from my point of view. We don't know what investors at the moment are going to do. I don't care that much about fundamentals, but something major happens in fundamentals on currency market. You might not realize in 2008, when was big crisis, after that President Obama announced a big printing of money and printed billions and billions of dollars and pumped it into the market, into the American economy, just to save it from the big recession. All the world was waiting, just trying to check what's going to happen. Everyone was predicting it will be big inflation in the United States and blah, blah, blah. All this story, it didn't happen. It didn't happen. And what happened now? Now, again, coronavirus. President Trump announced, again, big printing of money. But from the other hand, now in Europe, European Central Bank also announced that will just flood the market with euro. Obviously, this euro will not come from GDP of whole European community. It's just a printing issue, you know, they're just printing like papers, like magazines, so it's worthless. But for the economy, it looks like that the euro will getting stronger against the dollar in this case. But investors don't know yet what's going to happen. That's the reason why we've got such a situation. It's only 4-hour chart. On daily chart, it looks, again, it's still strong. It's a flag which has been broken, basically, and it might continue rising, it looks like. We'll see. Anyway, we'll see just tomorrow, after tomorrow, 2-3 days, we'll see if the market is ready to go higher. So that's it. But what I promised you to show you how to make a Gann fund your way. Let me show you. It's very simple, very quick one. We get a trend line by angle. That's how it's called. It's somewhere here in insert lines. I can't remember. Oh, it's here in lines, trend line by angle. I got it put over here straight, so I draw it this way. So first angle, let's draw it. Okay, we've got it. We draw from the top to this bottom, first bottom. It shows 288.7. Remember that one. We have to subtract it, so 360 minus 288.7 gives us 71.3 degree. So W.D. Gann considered that dividing angles by half will get best support or resistance point lines, dynamic ones. So we got 71.3. Well, let's divide it by 2. Divided by 2, it gives us 35.65. So again, we have to subtract that value from 360. So 360 less 3565, let's do it. 360 less 35.65 gives us 324.35. 300 was the 24.1, more or less, or maybe we do it 35 to keep it 3 to 4, 35. Okay, let's do it 3 to 4, 35 to keep it exactly as we wanted, 35. Let's do it like that. Okay, so you see, if you divide this angle by half, you got another angle. So this one was, as you remember, it was 71.3. We divided by 2. But if we want to get half of this angle, we divide it by 4. Let's divide by 4. We get 1782. Let's make it 18 just roughly, just to make it simple. 18 degrees, so 360. If you subtract 18 degrees from that, we got 342 degrees. So let's draw another one. 342 degrees. Here we go. 342. That's the line. Okay. Now, if you want to find another one, we just need again to divide 71.3 by 8 this time. If we make it round up to 72, 72 divided by 8 makes 9 degrees, and 360 minus 9 degrees is 351. And it will be the next 351. Where is it? 353 to... Here we go. 351. You got another line over here. Let's get rid of this one. This one I will close right now to not delete it. Let's get rid of this one. And you see, in this way, we made very quick Gann fan made exactly to our needs. So this is the first impulse angle. When divided by 2, this angle, we get another line and another line. You see the market couldn't get through. And still having here all this. Here, look what the confluence is here. We got a part of the Gann angle, we've got here the trend line, and we've got here the resistance from Jupiter-Pluto conjunction from this table. Over here, 1330. The market couldn't go through. Now we'll see how the market will behave. The next one, we had 9 degree here. So the next one, it will be 4.5 degree. 360 less 4.5 is 350, whatever. Let's make it roughly 355. 354 and 5 is probably, isn't it? Let's make it 355. So this is the, I think, ultimate line. Could be another one, 2.5 degrees, somewhere here, 275 or 225, which is half of 4.5. So that's all the story, guys, at the moment. Please write me in the comment what do you think about it. If you like it, just give me a like, or write me in the comment maybe you know any other ideas. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care and bye-bye.